Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get Westjet Platinum status. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to westjet.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, if you already do not have one, you can always go and register to Westjet. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have the flights, vacation and offers, and book a flight option here, where you can then go and book your very own flight. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile and the view account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get Westjet Platinum status. With the qualifying spend of 8K US dollars, you'll access their highest level of perks and benefits. So what you need to do guys, basically, for that is of course to go and, as I said, spend 8,000 US dollars. So you'll get 8% of the Westjet flights, 8% on vacation packages, 1% on the car rental, hotel stays, meals, and everything, and earn the partner flights. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.